Right. Today concept is test development.
Yes.
Test development. Yeah, where yesterday we discussed test planning. SDLC contains 6 phases: test planning, test development, test
Development
execution, result
and
analysis, bug tracking, and reporting. Yesterday we
protect
discussed first concept, that is test planning. Today concept is
test
test development.
test development. Yes.
In this test development, first we will discuss about use case document. Use case.
Okay. Use
Use
case
case is
documents.
nothing but it will describe the all the functionalities in the application. It will
Yes, sir. Describe all the functionalities of the application.
application. It will describe the
Yes.
all the
All the functionalities of the application.
functionalities in the application.
Yes, sir.
Application. First of all, eh, customer gives some requirements, that is called FRS.
Yes.
Okay, FRS.
Yes.
FRS is nothing but functional requirement
Functional requirement
specification. This is the
specification.
customer final requirements. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we can
Yes.
call explicit requirements also. We can call
Okay.
explicit
Explicitary requirements also.
explicit requirements.
Explicitary. Okay. Explicit
Based on the
requirements.
FRS document, business analyst will prepare use case document. Based on the FRS
Okay.
document only, he will prepare the use case document. Based on the FRS
Okay.
document only, business analyst he
Will
will
prepare
prepare the use case document.
case documents.
Use case
Okay.
document, it will describe the all the functionalities in the application. Okay.
Okay.
Based on the
Yes.
FRS document, he will prepare one use case document. Use case document.
Okay.
Whenever you are
Okay.
working
Use
with
case
any
document.
software company, they will give
Yes.
FRS document as well as use case document also. They will give
Yes.
FRS document as well as use case
Use
document
case
also.
document also.
Okay,
Yes.
if they give only FRS document, you can't understand the requirements very clearly. After giving
Okay.
the use case document only, we can understand the requirements very clearly. Okay, this is very, very
Okay.
important, madam. Whenever you are working
Yes.
with any software company, they will give FRS
Okay.
document as well as use case document. Using use
Yes, sir.
case document only, we can understand the requirements very clearly. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
for example, what is the use case? What is the use of use case? We will discuss now.
Okay.
For example, customer is saying add button should work fine. Customer saying only one word. Customer is saying only one word. Customer
Okay.
saying only one word.
Yes.
Add button should work fine. Customer saying only
Okay.
one word. Add button
Okay.
should work fine. This is the customer
Okay.
requirement. Okay.
Okay,
This
sir.
is given by
Mm.
customer. Okay. Based on
Yes, sir.
this requirement, okay,
Yes.
use case he will write business analyst. Why how it is writing, just to understand, just to concentrate, madam. Just to take
Okay.
10 in the place of
Okay.
value 1,
Okay.
just to take 20 in the place of value 2.
Okay. Yes,
If
sir.
you click on add button, if you
Yes.
click on
Click on add
add
button.
button,
Yes, sir.
add button, result should be 30.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
FRS is, this is the customer requirement. Based on
Okay.
that
Yes.
customer requirements, he prepared one use
Yes.
case, that is this one. Just to take
Okay.
10 in the place of value 1, just to take 20
Okay.
in the place of value
20
2.
plus
If you
two.
click on add button, result should
Add
be
button.
30. So
Okay. Yes.
this use case will tell you what we need to do.
Okay.
So just we
Okay.
need to take 10 in the place of value 1 and we need to take
Okay.
20 in the place of value 2. If you click on add
Okay.
button, result is 30 is coming or not. So
Yes.
this is our
Okay.
duty. So
Okay.
that means that means
Okay.
use case. Use case is nothing but one user. User means one actor. User means one
Okay.
actor.
One night.
If he
Yes.
performing any action, if he
Okay.
performing any action,
Performance
what is the
action. Yes.
response? What is the
Okay.
response?
Response.
He is
Yes.
coming. He will
Yes.
explain you very clearly. That is use case.
Yes.
If
Yes,
the
sir.
actor do any action, what is the response?
Okay.
what is
Okay.
response
Yes.
will come, he will explain you
Yes.
very clearly manner. So that's why that is called
Yes.
use case. Use case
Use
is nothing
cases.
but it will describe
And
all the functionalities in the application very clearly. Okay,
yes.
use case
Yes.
document only. Okay, if you want to
Okay.
understand all the requirements, so you using
Okay.
use case document only we can understand all the requirements very clearly. Without using
Okay.
use cases we can't understand the
Mhm.
requirements not clearly.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
whenever you are working with any
Yes, sir.
software company they will give a forest document as well as use case document
Okay.
also.
Use case documents. Yes.
Okay, for example, you want this type of application, madam.
Okay.
No, now you need to tell your requirements. I'm the
Okay.
developer, you are the customer,
Yes.
or I'm
Yes.
the business analyst, you are the customer. You want this type
Okay.
of application, so you need to tell your requirements.
Okay.
Now tell
Yes.
me.
Um, I want the button subtraction should work properly. Means it should give the proper results.
Hmm,
This one is the customer requirement,
hmm.
and the use case will be and put the value 20 on the value 20 in the
No, no,
first.
no, 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 madam. No, no, no use case, no need of anything. Just you are the one of the customer. You are
Okay.
the only one customer.
Okay.
You want this type
Okay.
of application based on your requirements only. I can develop this application. So you need to tell
Okay.
clearly, very clearly. Why?
Okay.
Because I don't know. Okay, you want this type
Okay.
of application. You have own, you have structure and you have one screenshot.
Mm.
Okay, you have
Okay.
idea. So you want this type
Okay.
of application, just you need to tell your
Okay.
requirements. Based on your requirements
Okay.
only, I can develop this application. So you need to
Okay.
tell very clearly, then only I can develop the
Okay.
application.
Okay.
Hmm,
Yes, I need that add and subtraction button should work properly,
hmm,
as well as the multiplication and division button should also work properly. And if I want to enter any new data, the clear button should clear all the values that are already that are previously entered by the user.
hmm. Okay, I will tell you,
Yes.
madam. Yes, I will tell you.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
requirement giving and telling, taking or
Okay.
telling, both are very
Okay.
difficult. Okay, it's not very
Okay.
easy.
Yes, sir.
So in the first class I told you, yeah, business analyst
Okay.
he will interact with the customer, he will gather all the requirements.
All the
So here
information.
is
Yes.
interaction is very important. What he is expecting,
Yes.
what he want, so
Okay.
we should know, then only we can do work, otherwise we can't. Why? Because what is customer expecting we need to
Okay.
understand. So that is very
Yes.
crucial task. Okay, yeah,
Yes, sir.
I want calculator application. Application should
Okay.
have minimize
Yes.
button, maximize button, and cancel button.
Okay.
And
Yes.
in the application, value one, value two, result fields should be
Okay.
there. Fields
Yes.
means some edit boxes.
Okay.
Fields should be there.
Yes.
And
Okay.
application should contain add button, sub button, null button, div button, clear button.
Okay.
All
Yes.
the add button, sub button, null button, div button, all the buttons should have same height and same width. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes,
Whenever you
sir.
are clicking on clear button, all the fields should be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field.
Okay.
Whenever
Yes.
I'm taking some value into value one, whenever I'm taking some value into value two, if we click on add button, sub button, null button, div button, result should be correct,
Okay.
should come
Yes.
correct. Okay, this is
Yes.
the next value
Okay.
one and value two result field should contain should same height and same width.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
result
Yes.
should be result text should be blue.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, this is
Yes.
and all the buttons spelled properly.
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
this is the customer
Yes.
requirements. So based on
Okay.
the customer requirements, so we can work with the application. Okay,
Yes.
right now
Yes.
I will tell you. Today concept is use case document.
Yes.
Okay, today what is the
Okay.
concept?
Yes.
Use case document.
Use case document.
Use case document prepared by
Um, uh, it's a test by the testers only.
no use case document prepared by
Business
business
analyst.
analyst. Just now I told you. Use case
Yes,
document
business
prepared by
analyst.
business analyst. Based on the FRS
Okay.
document, he will prepare the use case document. Okay, what is the
Okay.
use case? Use case is nothing but it will describe all the functionalities in the application. Who will
Yes.
prepare the use case document? Business analyst.
Business analyst.
Based on the
Yes.
FRS document only, he will prepare the use case document. FRS is
Yes.
nothing but it is a customer requirements. Based on the customer
Requirements. Yes.
requirements, he will prepare
Requirements.
the use
As
cases.
a
Use
use case
case is
document.
nothing but
Yes.
just FRS document only. Based on the customer
Okay.
requirement only, he will
Requirement.
prepare steps wise. Okay.
Okay.
Using use
Yes.
cases, we can understand the requirements very clearly. That's why he is preparing use case document.
Use cases. Yes.
Right.
Use
If you
case
want to
document.
prepare use case document, first of all, we need to have, if you want to, this document is prepared by business analyst. No need to worry. But
Okay.
if you want to prepare the use case document, just we need to have four
Okay.
things. One is functional requirements.
Okay.
After giving the functional requirements, business analyst will add some more requirements. Why he is adding for
Okay.
user friendly purpose and look and feel
Okay.
purpose? He will add some
Okay.
requirements that
More.
is special
Okay.
requirement.
Okay.
And just now I told you, functional requirements is called another name is
FRS
explicit
functional.
requirement.
Okay.
Explicit requirements. Functional
Requirement.
requirements are, we can say, explicit requirement.
Explicit requirement.
Special
Yes.
requirements given by
Given by the business analyst
business
only.
analyst. We can say implicit requirement.
Okay.
Okay,
Implicit requirement. Yes.
implicit requirements. Right.
Okay.
So, if you want to prepare use case document, first of all, we need to have functional requirements and special
Yes.
requirements and
Okay.
use case template
Okay.
and application screenshot.
Okay. Applications.
If you want to prepare use case document, first of all, we need to have functional
Functional
requirement,
requirement.
special requirements,
Special
use case
requirement.
template,
Use
and
case
special
application.
application screenshot. If you have
Screenshot.
four things,
Yes.
you can develop use case document.
Use
Okay,
case document.
okay,
Yes.
clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Based on the use case document only, we will write the test cases. It's very, very
Test cases.
important.
Yes.
Just similar to
Okay.
test cases concept only, but it's very, very important. Ma.
Okay.
So,
Yes, sir.
right. Now I will show you use cases. Madam, customer wants this type of application, madam. Customer wants
Okay.
this type of application. That application name is login. He is saying requirement. The customer saying requirements. First of all, functional requirements. Functional requirements nothing but it is given by customer. That is the customer requirements. First, it is
Yes.
saying login screen should contain username, password,
Okay.
connect to fields, and
Okay.
login clear cancel buttons. He's saying first
Okay.
requirement login screen should
Login.
contain username, password, connect to fields, and login clear cancel buttons. First
Yes.
requirement he is giving. Okay, simply he is giving
Okay.
login screen should contain username, password,
And
connect to fields,
password connected
login
field.
clear cancel buttons.
Yes.
Second requirement. Connected to is not a mandatory field. Whenever user requires, he can select a desired database option. Here,
Okay.
here we have three buttons, three username, password, connect to fields. In this,
Okay.
connected to is not a mandatory field. Whenever user
Yes.
wants, he can select a desired database option.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Connected to is not a mandatory field. If you want, you
Mandatory.
can check it.
Yes.
Otherwise, leave it. Okay. Connected to is not a mandatory field. Whenever you are
Mandatory.
giving username and password, if you click on login button, application will open. Application will open next page. Okay. But without giving
Yes.
connect to also, we can. Okay. He's saying
Okay.
clearly, okay, connected to is not a mandatory field. Whenever user requires, he
Okay.
can select a desired database option.
Okay.
After
Yes.
entering correct username and correct password, click on login button. Corresponding page must be opened.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, we are entering correct
Yes.
username, and after entering correct username and correct password, if you click on login
Login
button,
button.
corresponding page must
Yes.
be displayed. There are two types
Yes.
of user, madam. If it is any application, there are two types of user. One is normal user, other one is admin user. If it is
Yes.
normal user, okay, normal home page will be
Okay.
open. If it is admin user,
Okay.
admin page will open. Okay, for example,
Yes.
we are working with the Gmail. So we are the normal
Okay.
user or admin user?
We are normal user.
Normal user. We are not admin users. So admin
Yes.
user will be different. Okay, admin user also we
Yes.
have the username and the
Okay.
password. Using that username and password, you can enter into that admin page. So we are the normal
Okay.
users. We have username
Yes.
and password. Using that our username and password, we can enter into. We can open our page. That is the we are the normal user. Okay,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Third, third is finished. Next, fourth
Okay.
requirement. After click,
Okay.
after clicking on clear button, all the fields should be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field.
Yes. Okay.
After clicking on clear button,
All the fields should
uh,
be clear and the cursor should be on the username.
whenever you are clicking on clear button, all the fields should be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field.
Username.
And
Yes.
fifth requirement. After clicking
Okay.
on cancel button, application must be closed or should be closed. After click on
Okay.
cancel button,
Cancel
application should
button.
be closed.
Closed. Yes.
These are the requirements that are given by customer. So we can say
Okay.
functional requirements.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Next, we need to have special requirements.
Test special requirements. Okay.
Special requirements given by
Business analyst only.
business analyst. What he is giving? Yeah. First, initially, whenever the login screen is invoked, login clear button must be disabled. Initially, whenever the login
Okay.
screen is invoked, login clear button should be disabled. Why he is
Disabled.
saying?
Because before typing any password and any username, it should not log in or it should not generate any error.
Hmm. Why initially whenever the login screen is invoked, login clear button must be disabled. Why he is saying?
Disabled. Because the user should not be able to click on the clear button and the login button before entering any data in the username and password.
Without giving username and password, if it is login button or clear button, if it is disabled or enabled, no use. So after
Yes.
entering the data only we can enter, we can click on clear button and login button. So whenever
Yes.
initially invoke the login screen, if it is enabled or disabled, there is no matter, no need. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's the
Yes.
reason he's saying
Yes.
very clearly. Okay, whenever
Okay.
initially opening, whenever the login
Okay.
screen is invoked, login clear button must be disabled and cancel button
Okay.
always enabled.
Okay.
Saying
Yes.
cancel button always enabled. Why he is saying?
Because the user he wants to give one more uh, he wants the user to give the facility uh, to cancel the application at any time, at
Ah,
any
Shabash,
point.
great. Yes. Why is saying cancel button always is enabled? At any point of time, he can close the application. Okay.
Yes.
After entering
Okay.
username, okay, he don't have any time and he don't have any mood, so he want to close. So that time, at
Yes.
any point of time, he need to close. So there is a
Yes.
chance to close. So that's why he's saying
Okay.
cancel button
Okay.
always enabled. I invoked one
Yes.
application, but I don't have time. I want to go some outside, so I want to close
Okay.
anytime. Just
Yes.
opened. I
Okay.
didn't enter any data into the application, but I want to close. So at any point of
Yes.
time, user
Yes.
can close the
Yes.
application. That's why he's saying cancel button always enabled.
Be enable. Yes.
Upon entering username and password, the login button must be enabled. After entering
Okay.
username and password,
And
login button
password.
enabled. If it is right username, right
Yes.
password, wrong username, wrong password. If it is any data, okay, the
Okay.
right
Yes.
username, right username or wrong username,
Right.
we don't want. And right,
Yes.
wrong username, wrong password, you don't want. After entering any
Yes.
data into the username field and password field, login button should be enabled.
Enabled. Yes.
Upon entering any information into any of the field, clear button must be enabled.
Enabled. Yes.
Okay, if it is login button, both entering after entering both information, then only that button should be enabled. Clear button
Level.
is whenever entering any data into the any of the field, that clear button must be enabled.
Enabled.
The
Yes.
tapping order must be username, password, connect to fields, login, clear, cancel buttons.
Yes.
The tapping order should be username, password,
User
connect to
connect to
login,
log.
clear, cancel button.
Clear. Cancel.
Okay.
Yes.
Tapping, he's saying tapping order, username,
Tabbing
password,
order.
connect
Yes.
to fields, and
Password connect to
login, clear,
login.
cancel buttons. Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Already screenshot is finished. Functional requirements
Okay.
also finished. Special requirements
Yes.
also finished.
That's also
Next,
finished.
use
Yes.
case template.
Use case templates. Okay. Yes.
In this use case template, we have some fields. So first one, name of the use case, login use case.
Okay. Okay.
What use
Yes.
case? Login use
Name
case.
of the login use case. Yes.
Brief description of the use case.
Okay.
It will describe all the functionalities in the application. Okay,
Okay.
it will describe
Yes.
all the
All the
functionalities in the
functionalities in the application. Yes.
actors involved. There are two types of users or actors. One is normal user, other one is admin user. If it is
Okay.
normal user, home page must be displayed. If it is admin user, admin page must be displayed.
Yes.
Requirements. There are two types of requirements. One is functional requirements, other one is special requirements.
Special requirements.
Functional requirements
Yes.
is nothing but explicit requirements, and the special requirements is nothing but implicit requirements.
Implicit requirements. Yes.
Functional requirements that are given by customer, so
Customer.
special
Yes.
requirements that are given by
That
business
given
analyst.
business analyst. Yes.
Precondition based on the customer requirement, application is properly developed or not. How we know? So
Yes.
that means compulsory developed application should be
Yes.
there in the testing area. Okay.
Yes.
If it is
Yes.
clear button is enabled, login button is enabled or not, how we know? So compulsory developed application should be
Okay.
available in testing area. Then only we can
Testing.
see and say or we can perform the action.
Yes.
Post
Yes.
conditions. If you enter right username, right password, next page must be open. If it is wrong
Yes.
username, wrong password, error message must be displayed.
Okay.
That
Yes.
is post conditions.
Okay.
Flow of events. There are two events. One is normal flow. Second one
Okay.
is there are two flow of events. Okay, main flow, other one is alternate flow. One is
Okay.
main flow, other one is alternate flow.
Alternate
So
flow.
based on the customer requirements, he will prepare use case document. Now I will show you
Okay.
use case document. We discussed requirements. Now main flow.
Yes.
Customer is giving you. This is the use case document, madam. This is the
Okay.
use case document.
Use case documents.
Actor invokes the application. That is, actor means user. User invokes the application.
Okay. Okay.
User
Yes.
invokes the application. What is the
Yes.
response?
Means the screen should appear. The required screen should appear.
Hmm.
Login screen should appear
Hmm.
with the given fields.
Right. Okay. Yeah, the login screen should be appear, and that screen should contain username, password, connect to fields, and login, clear, cancel buttons. So
Okay.
what
Yes.
we need to is telling just
Okay.
active invoke
Yes.
the application. That means we need to invoke
Okay.
the application. What is the response?
Okay.
It is coming or not? We can check it.
Yes.
Got it,
Yes.
ma? Response also
Yes. Yes.
he will give, madam. Response also he will
Okay.
give.
It gives. Yes.
Based on the whenever you are doing some operation, what is the response? Is coming or not?
Okay.
Based on the business analyst
Okay.
gave already some response. Okay, that
Okay.
response is coming or not? This is our duty, madam.
Yes.
Actor
Okay.
enters
Yes.
valid username, valid password, and clicking on login button.
Okay. Yes.
Valid username, valid password, and clicking on login button. What is the response, ma?
The response should be able to navigate to the page after login.
Next page must be displayed, madam. After entering right username, right password, next page should be open. If it is normal user,
Okay.
home page. If it is admin user, admin page must be open.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Sir.
Actor enters valid username, valid password, and select a database option and click on login button.
Then also the administrator will be able to open the admin page, and the user will be able to open And the normal user will also be able to open the required page.
Yeah, based on the database, he will give one database, something, for example, a chat database or testing database, development database, admin database. They will give any
Okay.
database name, and after entering username, if it is normal user, normal page must be open, and if it is admin user,
Perfect.
admin page
Yes.
must be open.
Yes.
Actor enters invalid username and valid password and click on login button. What is the response?
It should show the message that the username is invalid, and again the cursor should go to the username
No, no, no. No.
text.
Actor enters invalid username and valid password and click on the login button. So it will show error message. Simple.
Yes. Okay.
It's
It will show
giving
error message.
he is giving wrong
Okay.
username,
Yes.
so it will
Yes.
display error message. That
Error
application
message.
should
Yes.
display error message.
Error message. Okay. Yes, sir.
Actor enters valid username and invalid password and clicking on login button. What is the response, ma?
Yeah, it's the same. It should show the error message again.
Right. Actor enters both username and password invalid and click on login button.
Uh, and it shows the error message again.
Once again, it need to show error message.
Error message. Yes.
Seventh one. Actor enters some information into any of the field and click on the clear button.
All the fields should be cleared,
And
and the cursor should go to the username.
whenever you are
Username.
clicking on clear button, all the fields must be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field. Next.
Yes, username
After click
field.
on the cancel button.
All the value that are entered in the field should be cleared, and again the cursor should go to the username field.
Yeah, no. Clicking on the cancel button, madam. Cancel.
Okay, the application should be closed immediately.
Application must be closed. Okay.
Yes.
Based on the
Yes.
requirements only, he will prepare
Okay.
the use case document. So, okay.
Okay.
FRS is
Yes.
we can understand some requirements, we can understand all the requirements we can't, but using this
Okay.
use case document we
Okay.
can understand the
Okay.
requirements very clear.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
It's very easy or not, madam?
Yes, sir. It's very easy.
Yeah. Using what is the action, what is the response, so he will give.
Yes.
So based on the action
Okay.
we will perform, based on the this action we will perform, response is coming or not,
Okay.
expectations is coming or not, we will check.
Okay.
That is our duty.
Okay.
That is
Okay. So
use case
that
document.
means
This use case document
okay.
prepared by
Okay.
business analyst. Use case
Business
document
analyst.
prepared by business analyst. Okay.
Business analyst. Yes,
Using
sir.
this
So
use
that
case
means
document only, we can understand the
okay.
requirements very clearly. Without use case document, we can't understand the requirements very clear.
Very clearly. Yes, sir. So that means we are not analyzing anything. We are just following the instruction, whatever is given.
Right. Okay. First of all, whenever you are working with real time, that application just not this much of easy. So it should be
Okay.
some difficult.
It will be
Okay.
complex. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
Madam,
sir. Yes, sir.
madam,
Yes. Yes, sir. I
hello,
can hear you. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
madam,
Yes, sir. I can hear
madam,
you properly.
madam,
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
madam.
Yes, sir.
Are you
I can
there?
hear you. Yes, yes, sir.